Hey guys, it's Adam from Carson Optical. Today we're going to have a look at the Clip and Clean. This is an all-in-one lens and screen cleaning kit. Each component fits together in the case and it has a plastic loop on top. This makes it real easy to clip onto your lanyard, your carabiner, or your key ring. It's small enough to put it in your purse, slip it into your pocket, or drop it into your backpack. The base of the Clip and Clean, this is a small spray bottle. It contains an alcohol and ammonia-free cleaning solution. The kit also includes a double-sided microfiber cloth that's available in a variety of colors. You're going to use the textured side of the cloth to wipe away dust and the smooth side polishes. These both nest securely in our lightweight Clip and Clean case. You can use this product to clean your glasses, your tablet, or your phone. Remember, visit our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave your comments below. Your feedback is important to us. Till next time, see you later.